Recording in progress.
Chapter 39, Trading Blocs. We're talking about trade blocs. These are a group of countries that have removed barriers or trade restriction from their participation. So it means there's free trade among these countries. That's why we call them trading blocs. So let's scroll down and see what we have here today. What is a trading bloc? The world generally divided into a number of trading blocs. These are groups of countries situated in the same region that join together to form a free trade area. So this means that trade between all the members will be completely free of tariffs, quotas, and other forms of trade barriers. It is also common for trading blocs to have a common tariff on imports from non-members. However, not all trading blocs are the same. They may differ in size and nature. So for trading blocs, they are a group of countries that are within themselves. They try to take away embargo. They try to take away trade barriers. So it means they are able to trade freely amongst themselves. That's why we call them the trading bloc. So they can trade amongst themselves without any issue. And they also have that agreement to charge non-members the same tariffs. So any country that is not part of them could be charged this unique tariff. So let's see what and they said they are different in size and nature. So let's see what we have here. They said provincial trading areas. These are part of trading blocs too. This type of arrangement means that members agree to remove trade barriers on a range of goods and services. So when it is provincial, it means we agree to take away some barriers or trade restriction from specific goods or services. That is provincial trading area. Then we have free trade areas for FTAs. These are members. Trade between members of an FTA is completely free of trade barriers. However, members are allowed to impose trade restrictions on non-members. So for free trade areas, the FTAs, it means not only goods and services or specific goods or services. For every transaction, every import and export within those groups are free of trade barriers. That is what they mean. And they have the ability to charge non-members or to restrict non-members from trading. That's for FTAs. Then we have custom unions. For customs union, these are similar to FTAs, but members of a custom union impose a common set of trade barriers on non-members. This means that products imported by one member can be resold and transported to other members in the union. The European Union is one of the biggest customs union in the world. For customs union, these ones, they are more like FTA, but what makes them differ is that they can impose a common set of trade barriers. So if they have to do that, it means they are within an organization, like the European Union mentioned there. So whatever happens, in as much as you are a member of the European Union, whatever you do will be in line with the laws or policies of the European Union. So that's what custom unions are. Then we have the common markets. Do you have any question or shall we move on? Then we have the common markets. These operate like custom unions, but also allow the free movement of labor and capital between member countries. Common markets will also have the same trading standards and regulations, which makes transaction between members easier. So for common markets, they don't only deal with trades or services. They also allow movement of people and capital among those among the trading blocs. Do you get the difference here? For common markets, it's not just about import and export. There's always movement of people, movement of capital, cut across the trading bloc. Then we have the economic unions. These are the most developed type of trade blocs. Economic unions adopt the arrangement of common markets and custom unions, but also aim for even more integration. For example, members are likely to adopt closer economic, political, and cultural ties. The Gulf Cooperation Council is an example, the Gulf countries. So for economic unions, they combine both the common market and the custom unions. And the common market talks about movement of people. So not only the movement of people, also they talk about having the same set of laws, the same set of policies in whatever they do. So they combine both common markets and customs unions. That makes it economic unions. Is it clear? And they made the example of the Gulf countries, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, and the West. Any question about trading blocs? They are clear. And the types of trading blocs that we could encounter. We have the FTAs, the economic unions, the common market, the custom unions. I think they are clear. So go to the advantages of trading blocks.